Hey guys, today it's Friday and for my family I'm making a special dinner. I'm making chicken rotisserie, also known as pollo à la brasa or poulet braise. I'm sure you guys have eaten that in restaurants outside. Well, I'm gonna make my own rotisserie chicken. And I'm also gonna make that little green sauce that comes with it. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my whole chicken. This chicken has been marinated in salt overnight. Right now, I'm gonna leave it aside. We are going to start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's just do that. Here I have some lime juice. I think it's 1.5 tablespoon of lime juice. We have mustard, garlic, oregano, black pepper, chili powder, and cumin. That goes in there too. I'm gonna put 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Let's just mix this. Smells delicious. It's time to marinate our chicken for a second time. Here is our bouncy chicken. And marinade over inside. You can even go under the skin. Looks good, right? Let's put those tight. All right, so as you can see, it's ready to go into the oven, but I'm not going to leave it in this pot just like this. The chicken is not going to be crispy. I'm just going to put it over so that while it's cooking, the juice is just going to go down to the sheet. Sorry. Down in the oven and just so put it down this way. So we need to tie the legs together so that the chicken cooks evenly. So our chicken is ready to go into the oven. Leave it in the oven for the first 20 minutes at very high temperature, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And after the 20 minutes, we're gonna bring down the temperature and cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour. All right. While the chicken is in the oven, I'm gonna prepare the sauce and everything that's gonna go with the chicken. So now it's time to prepare the green sauce that goes along with the rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice, whatever you have, it's fine. About a cup of cilantro. A little bit of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using cayenne pepper. I don't have jalapenos. And again, I'm the one that believes that if you don't have something, an ingredient, it shouldn't stop you from making whatever you're gonna make. You just need to substitute. The jalapeno brings a little bit of heat, so does the cayenne pepper. So I'm putting half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a cup of Greek yogurt. You can use sour cream, again, whatever you have on hand. Half a cup of mayonnaise. Let's just blend it. Put it in a bowl and just gonna go in the fridge until our chicken is ready. It's been resting for about 50 minutes. I let it sit for it to cool down so I can carve it and put it in our platter. You see the color? That's exactly what we were trying to achieve. This out. And I'm gonna carve my chicken and put it in my platter. Oh, look at the juice. Carve the chicken. Sit there. So guys, we are all done with our rotisserie chicken, polo à la brasa, poulet braise, and I've carved it and I put it on my platter. Look how amazing it looks. My kids are gonna be so happy. Today is gonna be a very beautiful Friday. So I have my sauce here and the chicken has been cut into medium-sized pieces. It's gonna be accompanied with some fried plantain and some fried yuca. And I also, because I didn't have time to make the dessert, I've prepared a cheese platter where I put some grapes. I have my cheese. This is good cheese. Some crackers, chocolate, and some nuts. Very simple for dessert. So I wish you guys a happy Friday. I hope that you can try this recipe. I will be posting it on my website, and so you can go ahead and see, get the recipe from there. All right, happy Friday. And again, I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.